Are you struggling to get subscribers on YouTube? Do you feel like your content isn't reaching new people? Well, in this video, I'll show you how I gained 1,000 subscribers in just 4 days using a simple strategy that anyone can follow. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a hidden setting in YouTube Studio that made a huge difference. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTubers Hub, where we crack the code about the YouTube algorithm. If you don't know me, my name is Sammy, and I'm the brain behind this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Now, let's talk about the simple steps I took to achieve these results. Step 1. Improve your video and audio quality. One of the first things I did was improve my video and audio quality. When I started, my videos didn't look great, and the sound wasn't clear. Here's what I fixed. 1. Better lighting. Even if you don't have expensive equipment, make sure your video is well lit. Natural light works fine. 2. Clear audio. Many viewers will forgive lower video quality, but they won't tolerate bad audio. If your sound is muffled or full of background noise, people will click away. Invest in a good microphone or record in a quiet place. 3. Engaging presentation. Whether you show your face or use voiceovers, be clear and confident in your delivery. For example, my first video had poor audio, and I barely got views. But once I improved the sound and lighting, my retention rate increased, and people started subscribing. Step 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Many YouTubers make the mistake of posting randomly. The YouTube algorithm needs to understand your upload pattern. Find a posting schedule that works for you. You don't need to upload daily, but choose a schedule you can stick to. Why it works. If you post consistently, YouTube starts recognizing your content as valuable and recommends it to more people. Here's a tip: avoid long breaks. If you disappear for a while, the algorithm will stop prioritizing your content. Step 3. Use the right keywords and hashtags. A lot of creators ignore this, but SEO, search engine optimization, plays a huge role in YouTube growth. Here's how to optimize your videos. 1. Use 2 to 3 relevant hashtags. In my case, I use YouTube growth, YouTube tips, and get more views. 2. Choose the right tags. Don't overload your video with random tags. Instead, keep them focused on your niche. Here's another tip. Ensure your title, description, and tags align. YouTube favors videos where everything matches. For example, I kept using the same set of relevant tags in my videos. This helped YouTube understand my niche and push my content to the right audience. Step 4. The hidden YouTube Studio setting that made the difference. This is a secret feature that helped me get more subscribers. When you upload a video, scroll down to the Publish to Subscribers feed and Notify Subscribers option. This setting determines whether YouTube shows your video to your subscribers first or pushes it to a new audience. If you're a small channel or have low engagement, uncheck this option so YouTube will push your video to new viewers instead of just your current subscribers. If you already have an active audience, check this option so your subscribers get notified and engage with your content immediately. Why this works. When I was starting, my few subscribers weren't watching my videos enough, so YouTube wasn't pushing them. But once I unchecked this option, YouTube started recommending my videos to new people, and my subscriber count exploded. Here's a bonus tip. Engage with your audience. Another major factor in my growth was engaging with my viewers. Here's what I did. I replied to comments. If someone says, "I just subscribed," I thank them. I also encourage interaction. I ask questions in my video to increase engagement. Lastly, I went live. My first YouTube live stream helped me connect with my audience and boosted my channel's visibility. The more engagement your video gets, the more YouTube recommends it. So, that's exactly how I gained 1,000 subscribers in 4 days. Now, it's your turn. Try these strategies and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video to help more creators see it, and lastly, drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.